Got the hiccups.
I think you used to have the hiccups in your inside mommy. What?
Those are cute.
Oh. Oh. I'm a little bit concerned that she hasn't been pooping.
What?
I'm a little concerned that she hasn't pooped yet.